Listen up, you lot. Today, we're talking about dates. No, not the kind you find on Tinder, but the sticky, sweet kind that belong in your kitchen, not rotting in your pantry. Dates are a bloody versatile ingredient. And frankly, if you're not using them, you're an idiot sandwich. We're going to dive deep into why dates deserve a place in your culinary arsenal. From their natural sweetness to their incredible health benefits, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Before we get started, make sure you've smashed that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's get cooking. Right, let's talk sugar. That white devil is in everything and it's killing you slowly. But fear not, because dates are here to save the day. They're packed with natural sugars that taste bloody brilliant. Forget that artificial sweetener rubbish. Dates will give your desserts, smoothies, and even savory dishes a rich, caramel-like sweetness that'll have you licking the plate clean. And the best part? Dates won't send you on a sugar crash like those processed sweets. They provide a slow and sustained energy release, keeping you full and satisfied. So ditch the refined sugar and embrace the natural goodness of dates. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Let's be honest, nobody likes feeling bloated and backed up. That's where dates come in, you lazy sods. They're loaded with fiber, which is crucial for a healthy gut. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping away all the crap and keeping things moving smoothly. A diet rich in fiber can help prevent constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues that can make you feel like you're about to explode. So do yourself a favor and add some dates to your diet. Your gut will be singing your praises and you'll be feeling lighter and more energized. Chapter 3. Essential vitamins and minerals fuel your body. Listen, I'm not a nutritionist, but even I know that vitamins and minerals are crucial for a healthy body. And guess what? Dates are packed with them. We're talking potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, the lot. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, supporting muscle function, and boosting your energy levels. Instead of reaching for those processed energy bars that are full of crap, grab a handful of dates. They'll give you the fuel you need to power through your day without the nasty additives. So stop being a lazy git and start incorporating dates into your diet. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Energy Booster. Ditch the slump. Feeling knackered in the afternoon? Don't reach for another cup of coffee, you caffeine addict. Dates are the perfect natural energy booster. They're packed with natural sugars that provide a quick and sustained energy release so you won't be crashing an hour later. Whether you need a pre-workout snack or a midday pick-me-up, dates are the answer. They're like nature's own energy bar, without the artificial ingredients and added nonsense. So next time you're feeling sluggish, ditch the sugary snacks and reach for a handful of dates. You'll be amazed at the difference they make. Chapter 5. Antioxidant properties fight back against aging. Listen, we all want to look and feel younger, right? Well, dates can help with that too. They're packed with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas that fight off free radicals in your body. Free radicals are nasty little buggers that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. But antioxidants are here to kick their butts. Incorporating dates into your diet can help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and keep you looking and feeling your best. So if you want to age gracefully and keep those wrinkles at bay, start eating more dates. Outrow dates, you'd be a fool not to. There you have it, you Muppets. Dates are a culinary powerhouse packed with natural sweetness, fiber, essential nutrients, and antioxidants. They're versatile, delicious, and bloody good for you. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself to the store and stock up on dates. Experiment with them in your recipes, use them as a natural sweetener, or just enjoy them as a healthy snack. Thanks for watching, you lot. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Now get out of my kitchen.